Hi guys, so in this tutorial we'll take a look at how we can locate element using name. So we have this website here called source demo. We'll use this as practice for this tutorial. So what we want to do is we want to locate this username text field, and we want to locate it, and then we want to type something inside this username text field. Okay, so that's the flow for this tutorial. Okay, so let's take a look at our codes. So for our codes, first thing we want to do is we want to set up the WebDriver. So you create a instance of the WebDriver object equals new Chrome driver, and then after that you use driver.get and then put in the URL of the practice website. So I'll post this link in the description for the video, and after that we will move on to locating the username field by the name. Okay, so to do this, let's go to the website, and then what you want to do is you want to right click this username field and then click inspect. Okay, then in inspect you can see there's a name attribute here over here. So we are looking for this name attribute, and then we want to copy this username. So just copy that. Okay, and then go back to your codes, and then you just put it inside here, the parameter. So you'll be creating a new instance of the web element object, and then driver dot find element by name, and then you paste the name inside here. Okay, so this line will locate this username field, and the next thing we want to do is we want to perform the action of typing inside this username field. So we do that by username.sendKeys. So username is the web element that we created just now. So .sendKeys means you want to type into this element. So what we want to type is, for this case, is standard underscore user. Okay, so after that, that's all done. Now we will run the app, run the program, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so that was quite quick, but you can see that it is now standard user that's being input inside the username field. So before that it was just empty, but now it has the word standard user. Let's run again. Yep, you can see standard user is inside. Okay, so that's how you locate an element by name. That's all.